Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and making the space safe. Shut the breaker and unplug the freezer, then post a tag so no one restores power. Once done, remove food and shelves and ventilate the area. You must recover refrigerant legally before opening the system. Connect your recovery unit and manifold, follow the unit sequence, and pump down until pressure is at safe, empty levels. Make sure to wear goggles and gloves while you prep the back access panel and gather tools. You remove the rear panel to expose the compressor and associated tubing, labeling each electrical connector so reassembly is clear. Once label done, disconnect the wiring harness, thermal protector, and any rubber mounts. Support the compressor from below and loosen mounting bolts. Capture residual oil by placing a sealed container beneath the suction line. If the system requires, carefully braze or cut the discharge and suction lines. Use a nitrogen purge to lift the compressor clear, checking mounts and tubing for damage and saving the oil sample for diagnosis. Once the unit is out, cap or braze the exposed lines if replacing it later, then connect your vacuum pump and evacuate the sealed circuit to the recommended level. Aim for 500 to 700 microns. After evacuation, perform a pressure and leak test, then recharge with specified refrigerant and oil. If the system won't hold vacuum or runs hot, check for pinhole leaks in brazes and poor valve seating as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.